Okay, I'm about to do the plasma pistol glitch, where you get simply just grab a plasma pistol, like so, go to either a Spectre or a Warthog, jump inside of it, charge it up, like so, and then hop out while still charged, and his hand should just shake like it's being charged, but it has no green light on the end of it. Sorry for the bad quality, but yep, just like so, and then simply just tap to stop.